Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one we're going to cover Urgent and Emergency Care CQC Survey. So let's see. You can see there's several tables here. Now, unlike the other CQC survey ones, this was the first one we did, and we designed it with a separate table for each of the sheets because of the slight differences. The other ones we've combined them more usefully into one table for each, like one for trust scores and one for trust respondents and so on. But anyway, customers have already got these tables tied into their scripts, and they asked us just to leave it like this, so that's what we're doing with this one. And it's quite easy to just union them up. Anyway, you can see what data's in here by having a read of these descriptions. And I've just queried these two dimension tables so you can see the sort of variables that are in there. So if I just page down here on the type 1 key, you can pause it to read that, and the type 3 key. There you go. And perhaps if I just query 1, just so you can see what it sort of looks like. So you get the idea. It's just the metric name and the measure, so you'd need the SCD to see what those mean. So that's that. Thanks.